Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go ahead and set the time on our Honda Fit. This also, so your time is going to be blinking if you replace your battery or how to do anything like that. And also this will say enter a code. It's an anti-theft thing, and there's a little light indicator that blinks here, and you'll have to enter a code. So hopefully you have your owner's manual. Inside your owner's manual there's a card that gives you what the code is for your particular radio, and you would enter the digits. It's a 5-digit code, and you would enter it by hitting these numbers, the CD numbers, right? Or the preset numbers, by hitting the preset numbers. And so you would enter in your preset code, and then it'll all light up, and then you can actually listen on the radio and do things like that. It's an anti-theft feature. But to set the time, we're going to hold the FM AM button. It also says clock under here, and we're going to hold it. And you hear the beep, and now it's blinking again. So now we can choose the time. We've got the hours, the minutes, and the return. That just takes us back to what the old time was. So we're going to go and set our time to 3. And it's 3:50. And so then we hit the same FM AM button, and that is how you set the time on your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.